Hello students, welcome to the next session of SST. Today I am here with the topic the land of hot sand. In this session we shall discuss about a region of the world experiencing hot climate. Deserts are the areas of the world with very low which also experience extremes of hotness or coldness. The deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabian deserts are the examples of some hot deserts, whereas Ladakh and Gobi are the cold deserts of the world. In this session, we shall learn about Saudi Arabia, which is located in Arabian Desert. First, I am going to discuss with you the location of Saudi Arabia. As you can see in the map of the world, Saudi Arabia, a country in Middle East, is located in the Arabian Desert. It is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west, Arabian Sea in the south, and Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman towards the east. Jordan, Israel, Iraq, Kuwait, Oman, UAE are some neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a big country but has a small population. The land is mostly a rocky plateau which is covered with loose sand. The hills of loose sand are called sand dunes. These sand hills can move from one place to another by strong winds and dust storms. Saudi Arabia has no perennial rivers or lakes. However, its coastline extends for 260 km on the Red Sea that offers world-class coral reefs. So students, what do you mean by perennial rivers? Perennial rivers are those rivers which have water throughout the year. So in Saudi Arabia there is no perennial river. Now I am going to discuss with you the climate of Saudi Arabia. The general climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. Day temperature is very high, so the sand becomes very hot. Dust storms are common. Nights are cool and pleasant. The summers summer. During the winter, days are warm and nights are cold. It lasts from October to April. There is hardly any rainfall. The climate along the coastal areas is pleasant. Dust storms are quite common. They appear all of a sudden and make the sky hazy. Now, vegetation of the country. Very limited parts of Saudi Arabia are suitable for cultivation. Water is obtained mainly by the sea. After desalting seawater, it is used for domestic consumption. The plants having high resistant and less water requirement grow here. Most of these plants have deep roots in the soil. Oases are the permanent sources of water. Date, palm, wheat and barley are produced here. The people lead a settled life here. Economy of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a rich country. It has vast deposits of mineral oil. It is found at great depths under the sand. It is exported to almost every country of the world. India also buys large quantities of mineral oil from Saudi Arabia. Many cities have been developed in the country. There are many oil refineries in Saudi Arabia where crude oil is converted into petroleum, diesel, kerosene and many other useful products. Most of these products are exported to other countries. Many factories have also been developed to produce consumer goods. Students, now I am going to discuss with you the life of the people in Saudi Arabia. The modernization has transformed the life of people. The discovery of petroleum in Saudi Arabia has changed the living of the people. The earning from petroleum has improved the standard of living of the people. All the towns of Saudi Arabia are equipped with modern facilities. People in Saudi Arabia rightly call petroleum as the liquid gold. Some people still live in the villages. They have a traditional lifestyle. One such group of people is called Bedouins. They live in desert. The Bedouins. They can pass through the desert on camels. Camels are very useful in the deserts. They can move easily and quickly on hot burning sand. Camels can live without water for many days. They are also called the sheep of the desert. The people of Saudi Arabia generally wear traditional Arab clothes. Now, I am going to discuss with you the major cities of Saudi Arabia. There are a few old and new cities. Both have commercial as well as historical and cultural importance. The modern cities are highly developed. They are equipped with modern technologies. There are super highways, port facilities and towering buildings. Riyadh is the capital city. It is a modern town with skyscrapers, parks, markets, educational institutions and hospitals. Jeddah is located on the west coast along the Red Sea. It is the major business center of Saudi Arabia. People from all the world visit this place. Makkah. This is the biggest holy place of Muslims of the world. It is associated with the Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. Every year, lakhs of Muslims visit Makkah and Medina, which is located in Saudi Arabia. The government of Saudi Arabia is wisely using its resources to improve the lifestyle of people. Water is always scarce here. Sea water is salty. Plants have been constructed to purify the sea water. Many Indians are also working in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has grown into a modern nation due to the hard work and efforts of the people. So students, in this session I discussed with you the lifestyle of the people of Saudi Arabia. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.